points for the Anteaters. Tillis backing down against Vide, leaning in off the side of the backboard. Vide bringing it up. They have 2 point guards on the floor. Johnson is in the left corner. Vide attacking, floater's good. And he has been a bright spot for this team outside of Porter.
Turnover as well, but
inbound,
gorgeous floater. Things that you can't teach, a knack for the game. Vide to Nick Calathis. And, of course, Coach Johnson said, you know.
Johnson's going to get a breather. MJ Amy's on the floor, heading into the halftime. Vide, high screen from Porter. Vide rolling, Vide's floater, and it rolls in. It's been the Vide and Porter show here in the first half. One of them, Jan Vide.
Yeah, Vide has been terrific off the bench, reading what the defense gives him.
He has 10 on 4 or 5 shooting, got a deflection there. It's a Lion steal. Murthaladze, Vide, great pass to Amy, and the lay-in. And they finally get their
defense. Here we are in transition. Look at the anticipation, Trey. Amy knows what to do. He fills the lane from the floor, and you don't have the opportunity to generate points from the line. That makes it especially difficult.
Vide gets